Hey guys, welcome back to Mr.Wizard channel. In this video, a new topic on my channel is fact. About fact, I will create a playlist about facts. After that, we would like to watch Apple company facts, the most wealthiest company in the world, and they are earning a lot of money in cashbacks. And the founder is Steve Jobs. You know about Apple company, the launching iPhone, Apple accessories, Apple technologies, Apple iPods, MacBook, Mac OS, Mac computers also. For in this video, we're gonna watch Apple company facts. In this video, watch fact series. In next video, I'll upload about Microsoft facts or Google facts, anything I will upload. Please like my video. It will motivate me to make other videos. If you're not to my channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon and receive all of the notifications. So let's do it. Are you ready? We'll start it right now. Watch about Apple facts. We want to watch about Apple interaction also. Apple Inc. has become one of the world's top corporations, generating billions of dollars annually. Apple provides jobs worldwide, introduces astonishing new technologies and products. The company upends the Apple cost of technology, politics, social event, and more. Their achievements cover so many areas that it would take days to spotlight. Rising to power has been an up and down battle of mega proportions. They have had to go against fierce competitors, government regulations, and more. However, when all is said and done, Apple is still a leader in innovation originality. Fact on Apple company is the name Apple came from the founder Steve Jobs' like of the fruits. Mr. surrounded the reason for the name Apple, but in truth, it was just the fruit that Jobs liked and named the company after that. That's the first fact. Second fact of Apple is Apple originally had three co-founders. The third co-founder, a man named Ronald Wayne, had joined co-founders Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, but he left the company only 12 days after it was founded. He sold his 10% shares for only $800 and got an additional payout of $1,500. Had Wayne stayed with the company, his shares would be worth today at around $60 billion. 60 billion. Okay? Ronald Wayne is a very fool, no? That's why he gave that one. Third fact of Apple is, it's a good fact also. Apple has a condition, no smoking ban regarding their computers. As ridiculous as it sounds, but if you smoke while using an Apple computer, you void the warranty you have been warned. Fourth fact on Apple is Apple employs more people than Good Style City. Apple employs over 90,000 people. In that, however, millions more make money from Apple that ranges from sales affiliates to mom and pop shops around the world. Okay, that's the fact of fourth one. Fact is Apple. With the first Apple iPod, an Easter egg was implanted. The way to get the Easter egg is go to the bar menu and hold down the center button. In just a few seconds, users could then see and play game called Breakout. The game had previously been developed by Apple co-founders Wozniak and Jobs. They worked at Atari. There's a fact, interesting fact also. The time with the iPod. The creator Tony Fedor had originally offered the device to both real networks and players. Both companies turned it down. Okay, that's a fact. If you like this fact, please like. It will motivate me to make other videos. Another fact on Apple company is in 1983, Apple launched its latest line of computer. It failed world is that around 2,700 devices are buried in land life in Utah. Another fact was Apple is so successful that in the first quarter of the 2004 it made more money than Amazon, Google, and Facebook combined. Wow, Facebook is the most social media that the Apple company lead that one also. Wow, what Steve Jobs. Fact on Apple company is Apple has around $150 billion in access capital. It could buy companies like Netflix. Oh no, Netflix is the most viewed movies something that Netflix is releasing. It's a very big production company. Twitter. Wow, it's the best social media application in the world. Tesla, the best car company. The Elon Musk, the world's richest man company that runs Tesla, and Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, the third richest man on the world, the Facebook owner. You can buy Facebook. The Apple is a very big company, you know. That's why this amazing fact. If you're new to my channel, so please subscribe and click the bell icon. Apple. Another fact on Apple was it was no evil satanic reason the Apple is sold for $666.66. Okay, Steve Wozniak, so the price was $667, and like David numbers, so he's changed it to $666.66. Okay. On Apple company is all the Apple phone is, if you new unbox the phone, the time was 9:41. Because what is that reason? Reason is Steve Jobs launched 9:41 a.m. The phone. First iPhone launched by 9:41 a.m. That's time. That's why he kept all the time into 9:41 p.m. My guys, in this video I'll say about 10 facts about Apple. If you're not my channel, please subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. It will motivate me to make other videos like that. This is fact playlist I will make. In next video, Microsoft, Google, Facebook, like that. Facts in this channel coming. If you want that facts, please subscribe to my channel and you will receive a video notifications if I upload videos. Okay, it's useful. It's useful video. Comment in the box and leave a comment. Bye friends. Thank you for watching. Get yours. Bye.